7 a.m. Don't have a load. I'm at the Portland trailer yard. It's 9 a.m. 9:18. Don't have a load yet. Still at the Portland trailer yard. Hades. Yeah, so it's about 11:30. I asked them if they have any loads. Hey, the sun's out. Got a load. Forgot to film the pre-trip, but I got all set up, ready to go to Purina. Portland sucks, even on Sundays. Portland. Hey, some dude's tent. She's completely wrong with her directions, which happens 20% of the fucking time. Alright, let's go, fucker. This guy's coming. Shut up, you fucking retard. Okay, I guess, you know, I'm happy this happened on a weekend. Because on weekdays, man, this whole area, Marina Drive, is real crowded. Lots of people around. So,
0.1 mile ahead.
Fuck off. You don't know what the fuck you're talking about. I fucking hate Purina. Okay, I guess, I don't know if this is a shipping office or not, because the sign is too small to read. And also, no one's here anyway. I'm just trying to find the shipping office because I gotta drop off some paperwork there. Trailer's super fucking low. Thanks, Purina. Awesome dirt lot. Picking up dust everywhere. Good. Thanks, Purina. You guys are fucking awesome. Yeah, this place is awesome. Why pave this when you could just leave 5-foot holes for truck drivers to go through? This load is heavy. Wish I could see a scale around here so I don't have to stop at the truck stop. Also, I can't find the fucking paperwork, so I gotta go back over there and fuck around. This place sucks. This place sucks. Okay, I got my music set up. We'll listen to some traveling Willburies and get the fuck out of Purina, Portland. Hey, a homeless camp.
Being sent up, but I'm being shut down.
Let me over. Roof cunt. Okay, leaving Oregon, shitty Oregon, going into Washington, shitty Washington. Washington, awesome. Love traffic. Okay. Scale's closed. That's good because I didn't weigh this shit. It's 44,000 pounds. And of course I checked to make sure the scales were closed. Otherwise I would have had to drive east or south. Wow, that sucks for southbound. Wow. It's been 10 miles of this for southbound. That sucks. That's my favorite truck stop in Washington on the 5. Exit 52. company tells me to stop. But I can't always avoid it. But my camera's doing dumb shit like it randomly does. Fuck you, camera. I-5, man. This could happen anywhere. Washington, Oregon, California. Not a big fan of the I-5 or this damn job anymore. This fucker's just coming in on the freeway, just pulling right, like driving along the shoulder almost, just pulling in front of you. They just gotta get in front of the truck. I hate this fucking job, man. Yay! More of this fucking shit. Still in this mess. Washington's so awesome. Alright, here's Tractor Supply. Of course they're closed because it's Sunday evening. Pretty sure that area over there is for got another load going back down to Oregon near Eugene. I got three choices. I could stay here and then not here, but there's a terminal for my company not so far away. Could stay there tonight, get up early, deal with Seattle and Portland traffic tomorrow. Or I could drive down to Portland to the yard, get rid of the Seattle bullshit tonight, get rid of all of Washington tonight, wait till after 9 a.m. and then I can leave Portland. I'll still hit some traffic, but it won't be that bad. Or I could go even farther, try to find a spot at a truck stop, but by the time I get there, on a normal night, there would be no parking anywhere down there. But it's Sunday, so sometimes Sunday nights, there's more parking. I guess there's less truck drivers on the road. I don't know. I don't know if I should shower tonight. I don't know if I'll get a chance to shower tomorrow. If I go to the terminal, I can shower. I could just go to the terminal and shower and then leave. But I'm too lazy to do that. If I go to the terminal, I can stay there tonight. I guess I'll get the hell out of Washington. Shit.
Grew suddenly keen. No, you can't get out of it that way. Being district attorney doesn't make him human. Don't you know his record?
I'm at the Space Age Travel Center. This guy up ahead there with the trailers blocking everyone from getting out. Oh, I'm gonna go get some stuff to eat because I'm probably staying at the Portland yard.
Past half century. It alone had not seriously expanded its productive facilities or offered anything radically new to human culture. Europe, said Madame Zajachowska in her soft French, is essentially an economic appendage of the northern region. We know it, and it doesn't matter. And as though in resigned acceptance of a lack of individuality,
Washington's still slowing me down. Okay, crossing the river. Heading back into Oregon. Oh joy. Hello, Portland. Yay, Portland traffic after 9 p.m. on a Sunday. Fucking hell, man. Alright, coming back into the yard where I started this morning. Hate this yard at night, man. I can't see where I'm backing up. Like I seriously have to hit the brake lights. see where I'm going. Alright. Fuck. Well, there's definitely room over there. Yeah, I guess we're going over there. Right back where I started. Alright, that's about it. Yeah, I'm not going to show you dinner or anything. Who gives a fuck about that? I'm not leaving till after 9 a.m. Right now, it's almost 10 p.m. I'm not leaving till after 9 a.m. because I don't want to deal with Portland traffic. I've only covered a tiny section of Portland, so I got the rest of that to do in the morning, and I'm not doing it during rush hour. That's it. That's all I can think of. Another day. Oh yeah. This one actually happened after two others that you'll see later, but I complained and bitched so much about the company because the company wasn't very nice to me during those times. Then I'm releasing this one first, but I'll put the others up later. One was real bad. Thanks. Bye.
Kneel before Zod!